With Tesla stock reaching all-time highs, it's not a surprise that many analysts are saying Tesla stock is overvalued. Plenty of short sellers are pointing to the fact that Toyota manufactures millions of automobiles per year, while Tesla only produced 367,500 vehicles in 2019. While this is definitely a huge difference, Elon Musk is planning for a massive production ramp-up. In this video, I'm gonna go over the evidence that points to an upcoming production ramp-up and how Tesla plans to do this. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and let's get right into it. When Tesla was beginning to ramp up the Model 3, Elon Musk openly stated that Panasonic was constraining the Model 3 production. Now the only logical choice to fix this constraint is to put more pressure on Panasonic, obtain more suppliers and increase battery production from current suppliers, and maximize battery production in-house. Recent evidence is showing that Tesla has been moving forward with all three of these options, hinting at the fact that Tesla is preparing for a massive production ramp-up. Tesla recently signed a 3-year deal with Panasonic that includes production capacity commitments by Panasonic and purchase volume commitments by Tesla over the first 2 years of the agreement. Tesla's new deal puts pressure on Panasonic by forcing them to ramp up. While Panasonic's ramp up will certainly help with battery production, the number of batteries manufactured still wouldn't be enough to scale to millions of vehicles. LG Chem recently agreed to start producing batteries in its Korean factory, but that's not the part that hints at Tesla's production ramp up. In a Reuters report announcing the deal, an anonymous person familiar with the matter stated that Tesla is asking not only LG Chem, but other suppliers to increase supplies as its cars are selling well. Tesla is openly asking every battery supplier to increase their battery production, and is going as far as to get LG Chem to manufacture batteries in Korea. Tesla is obtaining more suppliers and increasing battery production from its current suppliers. In order to scale to millions of vehicles, Tesla must also maximize battery production in-house. Tesla has recently been experimenting with this in its Fremont factory. Under Tesla's Fremont battery project, operational electrical consumption is projected to increase to nearly 92,800 megawatt hours per year. This equipment is assumed to operate 24 hours per day for 365 days per year. There's only one reason why Elon Musk is keeping the battery production up for 24 hours per day. He's testing whether he'll be able to maximize the battery production capacity to 24/7 in the Texas or Tulsa factory. This is proof that Tesla is maximizing battery production capacity in-house. Tesla's Semi was originally planned to start production in 2021, but Elon Musk ended up announcing the volume production of the Semi much earlier than expected. This was mainly due to two factors. There's an annoying and arrogant guy on Wall Street, and that Tesla is no longer battery constrained. At the base level of the Tesla Semi and the Model 3, the Semi has a battery 12 times larger than the Model 3, yet the vehicle only costs 4 times more than the Model 3. As an automaker that is usually battery constrained, Tesla wouldn't begin manufacturing the Semi unless the company is able to ramp up its battery production. Another key sign pointing towards a production ramp-up is the redesign of the Tesla Model Y. When Tesla designed the Model Y, the company focused on removing the production issues with the Model 3. For example, according to Sandy Munro, the Model 3's underbody went from 70 pieces of metal to 2 pieces of metal in the Model Y. A recent tweet by Elon Musk states that Berlin Model Y is the one to watch. That is a revolution in automotive body engineering. In a follow-up comment, a user named Apollo asked Musk if he was referring to the single or two-piece frame cast. Elon responded by saying even more. Tesla's upcoming European Model Y will be much easier to assemble than before. As of today, Tesla is still supply constrained, so it wouldn't make sense to lower the price of Tesla's vehicles. However, if Tesla was ramping up its production on a massive scale, it would make sense to increase the demand for its vehicles. This is not only because Tesla wants to boost demand, but also because the economies of scale allows Tesla to maintain high margins. Tesla's recent price cut of the Model Y 2 days ago, along with its price cut of the Model 3, S, and X 3 weeks prior, is a manifestation of Tesla's production ramp-up. Elon Musk has been hinting at Tesla's upcoming compact vehicle and van for quite a while now. Most recently, on July 10th, a Twitter user said Model Y is still too big for some cities in Europe. What about smaller European-style hatchbacks? Elon Musk answered this question by stating probably a good one to design and engineer in Germany. Along with the European-designed compact, Elon Musk also leaked that Tesla was creating a US-designed electric van and a Chinese-designed compact car. In order to begin manufacturing a cheaper Tesla, the company must first meet the demand for the more expensive Model 3 and Y. After all, from a business perspective, it wouldn't make sense to start selling a lower margin vehicle when you haven't met the demand for the higher margin cars yet. To sum it all up, Tesla is secretly preparing for a massive production ramp up, and it's just a matter of time before it begins selling as many vehicles as the quote-unquote big boys. Let me know what you think about Tesla's production ramp up in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.